Hey guys, it's Jonathan. I'm sitting here going over a quick lesson with Zach. Zach's interning me for the summer. Zach, what's up, buddy?
Hi, how are you?
I am excellent. Thank you for asking. So I was going over this with Zach. I figure, hey, let's just make a video for everybody. So we're going to go over the long-term trades that we've shared with the members. Right now we have 3 long-term trades. Overstock, which is here. Beam, which is here, and then Roblox as well. Roblox we've been covering a ton lately. So with these 3 long-term positions, they're all working well, great. They're not always going to work, but this time they happen to be working. And right now I'm using my favorite tool. We call this the high value target tool. And the way this tool works, super simple. Here's Roblox. This is just a 21-day moving average of historical volatility. So Zach, we went over volatility earlier today.
Yeah.
This is just a 21-day average of that historical volatility, of that historical movement.
Okay.
3 standard deviations, 4 standard deviations, 3, 4. So if it just hits 3 standard deviations, you're not going to get a buy signal. But if it gets out of them and then comes back in, that's when you start getting sell signals or buy signals. It's pretty cool.
Yeah.
So what we want to do is love Roblox. I think Roblox is going to be a $500 billion company eventually. But we shared this trade March 14th when it was down here. I didn't cover any here. It came off. I'm still long. I sold some Roblox. I'm still very long. I started with 1,500 shares. Now I'm down to 1,100 shares. But I did it because of these sell signals, expecting Roblox to pull back a little bit. And then I'm definitely a buyer in the lower 80s.
I see. So those red arrows are telling you to sell.
Those red arrows are just saying, hey, it's getting a little extended. Those red arrows are saying, hey, Johnny, if you own 1,500 shares, consider selling 400 or 500. You know, don't be greedy. And the same thing with Overstock. Overstock was a trade we shared similar time, March 14th. Overstock should do really well when there's a lot of regulation that comes down on NFTs and crypto. But again, getting in on these buy signals here didn't really do anything. I didn't do anything here either. But this time, I am liquidating my Overstock position. I'm fully getting out of my Overstock position because I think that we're going to be able to buy it down here. The next one is Beam. And Beam, very, very volatile stock. And you can see Beam too. We shared Beam. Oh, we didn't share Beam. We shared Ethereum. Okay, we'll go on to Ethereum. Beam, I'm also in. Beam, buy. Very, very volatile name. You get another buy signal. I own Beam. Now I'm taking some of the Beam off because we're going to get a sell signal soon. So those are the names that I'm looking at. The other one is going to be Ethereum. For those who follow and listen, I am extremely bullish long-term Ethereum. But high value target tool definitely said it was getting expensive. It pulled back. I'm a buyer of Ethereum down here though, guys. If you can get Ethereum anywhere here or under, I think it's very good for the long term. What other names you want to look at? What other stocks do you look at? Let's look at Snapchat.
Okay.
Snapchat, again, we tell the members all the time, trade on the edges. So right now, Snapchat, you see how right here, fine, it might be a long-term company to buy, but you'd rather buy it here than to buy it in the face of these sell signals.
Right.
Because this sell signal here is just math. It's just saying, hey, 21-day historical moving average. Well, if it gets to the outer of the bands and comes back in, probably gonna revert back to the mean.
Mm-hmm.
So when
you might as well sell, take some profit, and then be a buyer again when it goes low.
Absolutely. Live to trade another day. Why stick yourself in a position? And so this high value target tool, you can use on anything. But again, here's Netflix. You can see this is just like a bunch of mush in the middle. But for those who just stay around the edges, you can do really well. High value target tool. Here it is. You can learn more about it in the video description below. Guys, thanks for watching. My name is Jonathan Rose, and this is Zach.
The intern.
The intern, University of Colorado Buffaloes.
Let's go Buffs.
Have a great day, guys.
This tool's sick.